Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do this nice, simple look. So keep on watching. So first step, what the heck? I can't talk. So the first step, I'm going to take my MAC Laying Low paint pot. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild brush and I'm going to dip it in there. And I'm going to add that onto my eyelid. Now, a lot of people have been asking, what is this? It's basically a paint pot. What the hell, Val? It's basically like you're just putting a primer on your eyelid, especially us chocolate girls. We need that primer base on our eyelids because you want that color to like pop, to show out. Bam, yellow, pink, whatever color neon, you want that shit to show out. So next up, I'm going to use my little tape that I get from the dollar store. I ain't buying no tape from Walmart for $2. This is from the dollar store. It was like 50 cents and it does the job. It's from the craft store. Then I'm taking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Why I'm going so fast. Then I'm going to take this red shade over there. And I'm just going to use that and put it all over my crease. I'm just going to use that shade to warm up what I'm trying to do. This is going to be the first shade that I put down. It's not the deepest red, but I wanted to have a gradient effect. I wanted to go from light to dark, so I'm starting out with the lightest dark red first, and I'm just going to blend that out in windshield wiper motion. You know, I learned that from Jaclyn Hill. Go ahead, girl. We're going to sit there and we're going to keep going. Wow, when I'm doing my makeup, I never realized how long this took, but now that I'm sitting here doing this voiceover, I'm really blending for a while. And we're off. We're still blending. God, this is annoying. So this is why I'm really trying to do different types of videos because makeup is just too much. Then I'm going to go in with a deeper plum red right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer crease and bring it in. So I just really want to intensify that dark. I really want to concentrate on that. That's why I was saying I want that gradient effect. So I'm just going to keep applying that on the outer crease and then bringing it in. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I just make up looks as I go. And I realized that I haven't used my Jaclyn Hill palette in a while. So I really wanted to use it. Next up, I'm going to take this really rich dark brown shade up in there. And I'm just going to smack it up in there, you know. Make it a little bit darker. That's what I'm doing. My skin has been doing a lot better, guys, but at the same time it's not. I don't know what to do. Whatever, puberty. So I'm just going to put that in the outer crease and then bring it in. Then I'm just going to take that brush and I'm still going to just keep blending it out because it needed to be blended out. Then I'm going to go back in with that Laying Low paint pot and I'm just going to cut the crease a little. Not that much, like a half cut crease. A little bit, but not too much. And then I'm just cutting the crease. I don't know why I'm making these ugly ass faces. No wonder why I'm single. Then I'm going to take that little bright shimmer pop and I'm just going to apply that everywhere that I just cut the crease. And that is basically our look. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. Just kidding. And then I'm going to go back in with that dark brown again and I'm just going to blend everything out. Next up, I'm going to take my NYX damn. Alright, so I'm taking my Damn, so fast. These lashes are from Briellalashes in the style Girlies. So I really love these lashes. I am not a lash person because to me lashes can be super uncomfortable, but these lashes are super comfortable. Okay, so my lashes are on and I love them. So the next step, I'm going to take my No Problem primer that I got in my BoxyCharm box like 3 months ago. And I'm just going to apply that onto my face because I love this primer and it's just awesome. Then I'm just going to rub it in. I love this primer because I feel like it's literally adding a second layer of skin onto your skin. That makes no sense, but it just makes the primer, it just makes the foundation go on so smoothly, and I love it. Like, if you guys have not tried this primer, you have not lived. Like, where are you living, under a rock like Patrick? But anyways, this primer is it. And then, guys, my mom was super nice and she loves me so much. She got me a new Fenty Beauty foundation. I ran out of my Fenty foundation and literally I was in tears because this is my favorite foundation ever. And I'm going to use my BS small brush. I'm not just saying I love this foundation because Rihanna made this foundation and I love Rihanna and Rihanna loves me and, you know, we're just a big happy family. I'm not just saying that, but I'm saying that I love this foundation because this foundation makes it look like it's my freaking skin. One time I was feeling dead. I put this foundation on. I went to school and my friend was like, "Damn, girl, your skin looks so good today." And I'm like, "Bitch, I got found." I didn't tell her, but it's like, you know? Next up, I'm taking my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. I've had this concealer for a minute. I just keep restocking up on this, but I really want to try the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. Let me know what you guys think about the Kylie Cosmetic concealer before I go and buy it because I really love this Born This Way concealer. And I'm in the color dark. Next up, I'm just going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend out that concealer underneath my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin, just everywhere. BTW, guys, this wig is from Love Me Hair. I removed the elastic band that was in there because it was bothering me. And now that I can do like a real full lace wig look, but I need practice. I haven't done lace fronts in a while, so that's that. And mine isn't 100% perfect, but it's the thought that counts, right? I don't know. Now I'm taking my Pretty Vulgar powder and I'm just gonna lightly press that underneath everywhere that I just concealed. If you guys want to know a full face tutorial of why I'm putting powder on, there's a tutorial already up on my channel of how to do your full face of makeup. So I'm just going through these steps relatively quickly. And I'm going to add some powder on my chin and my smile lines and my forehead and just random areas of my face. Next up, I'm going to take my Urban Studio, makeup brush, and I'm going to take my Cover FX contour palette, and I'm going to use that contour color, and I'm just going to contour my face. And I really like this contour powder for a nice natural contour. This is the first time that I found a contour powder that actually works for me because I am very chocolate from Haiti chocolate. Then I'm going to take that same contour powder and I'm going to contour my beak. My nose, oh my god. Then I'm going to take that powder and I'm going to set on top of my nose. And I'm going to cut that contour out to make it a little bit more sharp. Then I'm going to take my MAC Film Noir blush, but it's dark enough to be a contour for us chocolate girls. So I'm just going to lightly put some on top of the other contour just to increase the contour a little bit more, to add more definition in my cheekbones. I don't use this too much, but when I want to, I use it. So then I'm going to take another clean sponge and I'm just going to dust off all the powder. I really like this brush to dust off all the white powder because it took like 2 seconds, like no lie. This brush is perfect for dusting off all the powders. And this brush I got from Burgundy Factory, guys. Alright, so I'm taking my MAC face powder. This isn't actually mine, it's my mother's that I stole from her, but I just like to apply that onto my face because sometimes I feel like the white powder is a little bit too white. Then I'm going to take my Black & Radiance blush in the color Raspberry. This is my favorite blush because you guys know black people don't blush naturally, so don't add too much because y'all gonna look funny. Then I'm going to go back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to apply those 2 dark shades under my eyes. Then I'm going to take my black eyeliner. Damn, this is fast. Then I'm going to take my Morphe spray and spray my face, and then my Too Faced Better Than Sex and mascara. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm going to apply that onto my cheeks, on my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. And I'm also going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to add that on my brow bone. This is the perfect beginner highlighter. Like, I have Fenty highlighters because, you know, Rihanna loves me and I love her. But this is good. Next up, I'm going to take my MAC Ruby Woo lipstick pencil and I'm just going to line my lips up with this. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty lipstick, and I'm gonna apply this on. I really love this color so much. Like, I was so scared to buy it because, you know, I'm dark skinned, so sometimes I get scared to wear like these bright ass colors. But like Riri said, that's my sister. She told me that, you know, be proud, wear bright colors, don't care what nobody says. Haters are gonna hate regardless. So I just do whatever I want. So I just applied my red lipstick. Oh yes, honey. I wish I had a darker red because I feel like it would have matched the look better, but it's makeup. Play with it, have fun, and I really like the red with it, but I feel like a darker red would be better, like I said already. Why am I repeating myself? Anyways, next up, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and I'm just going to apply that onto that red lipstick. Lately, I've been really loving the gloss look. I haven't been really loving the matte. I've been loving the gloss, and this is my favorite gloss. So last step, I'm going to take my Morphe spray. I love this spray so much. Game changer. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.